We have been protecting people in sports, leisure, and at work since 1926. Protecting people is our mission. Protecting planet is the natural continuation of this mission when it comes to treating people, society, and nature responsibly. With Protecting Planet, we have created a label that offers maximum transparency and information about our sustainability activities, from resource-saving products and innovative measures in our factories, through to social commitment and social projects. We walk this path together with you. And step by step, we are getting a little closer to our goal. Protecting Planet. Take responsibility with us.